Welcome to the verb go. In this lesson, we will learn phrases with the verb go. Go swimming. I go swimming on Tuesday nights. Go to work. He goes to work in London. She goes to work by train. Go shopping. She goes shopping at the weekends. Go on holiday. They go on holiday every June. The past of go is went. I went shopping yesterday. We went on holiday last summer. They went to work at 8 a.m. In this lesson, we have learnt expressions with the verb go. I go swimming. He goes to work. She goes shopping. They go on holiday. And in the past, we say, I went shopping. We went on holiday.